Hi, Michaela. Thanks for sending us in your math question here. The first question asks for the points of horizontal and vertical tangency for the graph here. Okay, so what we're going to do first is take the derivative. So we're going to get 8x plus 50y. But then you have to do, since you're taking the derivative of y, you have to do y prime. You have to do the chain rule. So we go times y prime. Okay, plus the derivative of that 16 minus 250 y prime, and then derivative of a constant is 0, so it just equals 0. Okay, so what we're going to do is keep all these guys on this side, the ones that have y prime in them. So 50y y prime minus 250 y prime equals negative 8x minus 16. Okay, so we take out a y prime, we will get 50y minus 250 equals negative 8x minus 16. Okay, so next step, we just divide by this guy. So we'll get y prime equals negative 8x minus 16 over 50y minus 250. Okay, so to see where the tangent line is horizontal, that means you have a slope of 0. So in order to have a slope of 0, you want to make the top equal to 0. So we set negative 8x minus 16 equal to 0, and then we get x equals negative 2. Okay? And then what you do next, I didn't do this before the video, but if you wanted to find the point, you just plug in negative 2 into this equation right here, and you'll get actually two y values. Okay? Okay. I'll let you go ahead and do that. It's just a matter of plugging in negative 2 for x here and then solving for y. Okay, and now for the bottom, to make it, to see where the slope is vertical, so in other words, where the vertical tangent lines are, you set the bottom equal to 0. See, if you set the bottom equal to 0, just do it right here, you'll get y equals 5. Okay, so then you'll plug in 5 into the original formula here for y, and then you'll get two x values. So you'll have these 2 points for the horizontal lines, tangent lines, and these 2 for the vertical tangent lines. All right. Next question you sent, it was y equals 4 to the x, and the derivative of that is, I'll say, if y equals a to the x, the derivative is a to the x times ln of a. Okay, so that means the derivative of this is 4 to the x times ln of 4. Okay, and we want it to be perpendicular to y equals negative 7x plus 11. I solved for y there. So if you have a slope perpendicular to negative 7, it's 1/7. The opposite reciprocal of negative 7 is 1/7. Okay, so the derivative is really the slope, right? So we plug in, all we do is just plug in 1/7 for the derivative, and equals 4 to the x ln of 4. Okay, next we divide by ln of 4, and I'm going to do that on my calculator here. So we get 0.103 equals 4 to the x. I'll take the ln of both sides. I'm sorry, I'll take just the log of both sides. Normal log. So log of 0.103 equals x log of 4. Okay, and then we'll divide both sides by log 4, and I'll just type that into the calculator. So log divided by log 4. Okay, so you get negative 1.639. Okay, and I believe that's what they were asking for. Yep, find the x value. Turn the x value on the graph. So we got it. So our answer is just negative 1.639. Thanks for sending us in your question, Michaela. I look forward to answering more in the future.